Well, the political discourse continues to surprise us. Newly appointed Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Dev is at the center of internet memes, courtesy his bizarre statements. Let's take a look at this report.
देश वो देश है जिसमें महाभारत में संजय ने बैठ के धृतराष्ट्र को युद्ध में क्या हो रहा था बोल रहा था। तो इसका मतलब क्या है? टेक्नोलॉजी था, इंटरनेट था।
The newly minted Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Dev, is now a social media darling courtesy his statement, which made national, international, sentimental, and a few mental headlines.
देश वो देश है जिसमें महाभारत में संजय ने बैठ के धृतराष्ट्र को युद्ध में क्या हो रहा था बोल रहा था। तो इसका मतलब क्या है? टेक्नोलॉजी था, इंटरनेट था।
As soon as CM Biplab's statement hit the airwaves, the internet pounced on it with a meme fest kicking off supporting Biplab's logic. And by supporting, we obviously mean trolling with the hashtag Internet Mahabharata. From details of the world's first pen drive to the most iconic virtual reality device ever made, Chief Minister Dev's statement has given the internet its latest shot at viral fun. We picked out a few gems. Be it an exclusive picture of Bhishma Pitama using internet, or a post saying Draupadi right-swiped a profile named Pandavas on Tinder based on Arjuna's pic, or this video of Draupadi Skyping with Arjun. And the internet also had a picture of Lord Krishna showing the first and exclusive fidget spinner he bought from Flipkart. Or this discussion over slow speed of the internet. And if all of this wasn't enough, there were proofs of Wi-Fi's existence in the Mahabharata era. While the trolling continues, Mr. CM has come out to defend his statement.
हर आदमी को गर्वबोध करना चाहिए जो हम लोगों ने जिस मिट्टी में जन्म लिया उस मिट्टी में वो टेक्नोलॉजी व वो सोच था तभी जाके ये हुई थी। तो मैं इस विषय को दोबारा दोहराना चाहूँगा।
The truth is, it's silly season for netas. Need more proofs? Listen to this one from former Mumbai top cop and now MOS home Satyapal Singh.
आज तक किसी भी व्यक्ति ने न कहानी में न मौखिक ने लिख करके बताया कि वो जंगल में कहीं गया था, किसी शहर में गया था, उसने किसी बंदर को आज भी बनते हुए देखा हो, ये कहीं पर नहीं लिखा गया। डार्विन ने इस प्रकार की जो थ्योरी दी है वो वैज्ञानिक रूप से भी गलत है।
We are wondering what the Prime Minister thinks, especially since he gave this valuable advice quite recently.
I think we need more satire and humor. Humor brings happiness in our lives. Humor brings human creativity. We are living in an age where one speech or one event can create multiple memes forward.
And now it looks like the party members are following the Prime Minister's advice religiously, giving trolls exactly what they need. Harshit Joshi for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.